let's shift focus now. We have seen when it comes to the recently held T20 World Cup that was played between India and Pakistan, and there were some very unsavory comments that were made on part of a former Pakistan cricketer. Kamran Akmal's racist and disgraceful and insulting remarks and against the Sikh community that has left the country fuming. Now, none other than the former Indian cricketer Harbhajan Singh Turbinator, who has now gone all out against Akmal, reminding him when it comes to the sacrifices that have been made by the Sikhs, and especially when it comes to saving their mothers and daughters from invaders. Now, it was on Sunday when Akmal was commenting on a channel there during the ongoing World Cup. And that also was on the day when India-Pakistan match was being played. And he made a very racist comment, and I quote, I mean, it is still unsavory, but he goes on to say कि 12 बज गए. And he was commenting about Arshdeep Singh, saying that किसी Sikh को नहीं देना चाहिए, 12 बज गए हैं, referring to Arshdeep Singh, a Sikh himself, who is a very proud part, a cricketer when it comes to the Indian cricket team. And he was rather chosen to bowl that final over. Now, there was a lot of backlash to Akmal's racist comments, and that have been so intense with the Harbhajan Singh now taking up the issue with the former Pakistani cricketer. And now he's been forced to apologize. Akmal has now posted on social media X and accepted that his words have been disrespectful. He's apologized to Harbhajan Singh and to the entire Sikh community. But despite the unconditional apology coming in from Kamran Akmal, BJP leader Manjinder Singh Sirsa has hit back at the former Pakistani cricketer, reminding him of the Sikh community's victory over Pathans. And as far as even when it comes to his post, he has urged Kamran Akmal to set an example through a dignified behavior and not to stoop such low. However, there has been no reports of any channel in which Akmal was hired an expert taking any action against the former cricketer. But we must remind our viewers that despite apologizing, the late Dean Jones' contract that was terminated by 10 sports when he had referred to South African cricketer Hashim Amla as a terrorist. But it seems that the Pakistani channel is not taking any responsibility when it comes to Kamran Akmal's comments. We have Karishma and we also have Ankit joining in. Karishma, as far as India-Pakistan match is concerned, of course, the sentiments are high. One of the most watched, cricket matches or any other sporting events that happens between India and Pakistan. One must be mindful, especially when it comes to commentary that is taking place on part of any former cricketers as well, how deeply they are involved. Why not keep your concerns just with the match?
Well, yes, absolutely, Amita. Kamran Akmal can talk all about cricket if he wants, but he has no business to talk about anybody's religion or what religion they belong to and make unsavory comments, racist comments with regard to that. He, in fact, went on to say something that is very, very hurtful to the Sikh community. He spoke about 12 baj gaye hain, Arshdeep ko bowling kyun diya, and it was Harbhajan Singh that stood up for the entire Sikh community, took a stand and said that this is not right to Kamran Akmal. He, in fact, tweeted saying तेरे को लानत लगेगी Kamran Akmal for saying this, because he has went on to say that it was the Sikhs that saved your community from abduction as well. So clearly the Sikh community not taking well the comments made by Kamran Akmal, and they shouldn't also, because what he said, like we've been saying, is racist, is very, very wrong, and that is why he has to apologize. And he has in fact tagged Harbhajan Singh, and he has apologized to him, saying that I did not mean any hurt, but he should have been very, very mindful and careful of what he was saying, because this is no joke. You cannot joke about religion on national television, and no action has been taken against Kamran Akmal. We do not know if he has been dropped from that particular panel on the Pakistani TV channel where these comments were made or not, but there needs to be a strong message that needs to be...
That clipping is also concerned. I mean, we can make out from that the individual who was also hosting the show, Ankit, did not interfere or did not interject. But we believe that the social media is also abuzz as the kind of reactions that have been asking. Of course, he's apologized, but is it unconditional?
Well, let's go through it. In fact, we'll start with the first tweet by Harbhajan. He was replying to someone who had shared the video, Amita, and like you said, there was no remorse on the show. Everyone appeared to guffaw at it. So Harbhajan wrote, "Lat di lanat tere Kamran Akmal, you should know the history of Sikhs before you open your filthy mouth. We Sikhs saved your mothers and sisters when they were abducted by invaders. The time invariably was 12 o'clock. Shame on you guys. Have some gratitude. And he tagged Kamran Akmal with a couple of emoji. So that was Harbhajan's post. Now let's read what Kamran Akmal wrote. This is his apology. He says, I deeply regret my recent comments and sincerely apologize to Harbhajan Singh and the Sikh community. My words were inappropriate and disrespectful. I have the utmost respect for Sikhs all over the world and never intended to hurt anyone. I am truly sorry. #respect, #apology. So Kamran Akmal is apologizing here. Maninder Singh Sirsa, like you said, has also weighed in. He writes, Kamran Akmal's comment is totally unacceptable. I strongly advise him to educate himself on Sikh history and their significant victories, especially Sikh's emphatic conquests of the Pathans. Kamran Saab, it's important to learn to respect people above and beyond religious differences. As a cricketer, the world looks to you to set an example of dignified behavior. So essentially a history lesson being given to Kamran Akmal about the Sikhs' various conquests, and also from time immemorial, since long before that, since the days of Alexander to all the invaders that took that route from Persia, they would all invariably end up in Punjab, and that is where they would meet their end, because they were not able, at least in Alexander's case, to go any further. But that is where the Sikhs later and the people who came before them fought them off.
All right. Please do stay on with us. Karishma also continues to be with us. Now that very same controversy, how it erupted, what exactly did Kamran Akmal say while he was referring to Arshdeep Singh? This is how it entirely played out when the commentary was happening during the India-Pakistan T20 World Cup match.
कुछ भी हो सकता है. देखें, लास्ट ओवर करना है हर्षदीप सिंह ने, वो वैसा उसका रिदम ही लग भी सकता है. आपको पता, फिर 12 बज गए हैं.
आखिरी ओवर के लिए 16-17 रन तो बहुत है ना.
किसी सिख को नहीं देना चाहिए 12 बजे.
कुछ भी हो सकता है. देखें, लास्ट ओवर करना है हर्षदीप सिंह ने, वो वैसा उसका रिदम ही लग भी सकता है. आपको पता, फिर
12 रन तो
12 बज गए हैं.
आखिरी ओवर के लिए 16-17 रन तो बहुत है ना.
किसी सिख को नहीं देना चाहिए 12 बजे.
Karishma, I mean, even, listening to it and watching it, actually it's shocking, but the people there who were, participating in that same commentary show didn't feel anything. It was almost like too casual, something like that they speak about every day.
Well, it's absolutely. It is very, very shocking to see on how the counterparts there in that same panel who were having this chat did not say anything, did not even try and interject Kamran Akmal when he was saying this. It almost seemed like a joke to them, something that they would laugh about later. But this is something that cannot be laughed about. You are making a joke about something that is so deeply personal as far as the Sikh religion is concerned, as far as the Sikh community is concerned. And that is why Harbhajan Singh had to step up, take a stand, and really get to Kamran Akmal and say that you need to apologize for what you have said, for what you are saying about the Sikh community.
Absolutely, and because the joke's now on them as far as the Pakistan cricket team is concerned, because this is how India managed to turn the tables despite low score, Karishma.
Well, yes, absolutely. India has always believed in bat doing the talking, in our sport doing the talking, and they had already started trolling us when we had gotten out for 119. Social media, Pakistani social media was abuzz with how silent the Indian crowd has gone, how Pakistan is doing a pat comments on the Indian crowd, not realizing that their own team, which wasn't even capable of beating the United States of America, they should have waited a little before writing off India in that particular match. So like I said, the Indian team always believes in speaking through their actions rather than words, and they gave them the right answer at the Nassau County Stadium on the 9th of June without delving into any off-field theatrics like Kamran Akmal.
Absolutely, because, it would be one thing to even give him a little bit of benefit of doubt that he didn't know about who Sikhs are and what this community is all about. He is not a naive individual. He knows, as far as the Sikh population is concerned, very much there in Pakistan, very much there in every part of the world. And the proud community that the Sikhs and the sentiments that they stand for, obviously this is insulting and downright humiliating. When it comes to Karishma, such kind of commentary that has been made. So he's not someone who doesn't know exactly who or what the Sikh community is and what they stand for.
Well, yes, absolutely, Amita, and one has to really wonder whether if he wouldn't have been called out in this case by Harbhajan Singh, whether he would have apologized or not as well, because he has tagged Harbhajan Singh and then he's apologizing, saying that I have made comments that were deeply hurtful and I did not intend to cause any hurt. Well, one really has to wonder if that Kamran Akmal means it, because like we've been saying from the beginning that this is no joke. You cannot make casual statements about any religion. You cannot make casual statements like 12 baj gaye hain. You know that this is very, very precious. This is very, very religious. Why even bring religion into a chat that is supposed to be about cricket and what's happening on the field? That's possibly always going to be the difference between India and Pakistan, because India believes in answering on the field and nothing off the field that is demean
the best that India stands for. One of the prime examples would be the Indian cricket team. Everyone coming from different parts of the country, whatever religion that they follow, all of them are identified as proud Indians. And of course, we are all proud of our Indian cricket team as well. For the moment, thank you very much, Karishma, for joining in. We continue to get you more reactions back after a short break.